Mill Pond, a family-friendly community surrounded by green space, which is present within 500 meters of all the houses. I'm right outside 48 Osgoode. Beautiful 2460 square feet riverside model with a finished basement. So over 3,400 square feet of finished space. Uh, widened driveway, no sidewalk, concrete work. Soffit pot lights all the way through, full brick model, listed for $999, and on a children-friendly inside street. Beautiful concrete work, and the best thing I'll show you is no direct neighbors behind. So as we enter in, open concept layout, 9 feet ceiling, living dining combo with crown molding, hardwood floor, pot lights, main floor powder room with accent wall, California shutters, beautiful kitchen with the center island, granite countertops, crown molding here, gas stove, big size dinette area where full table can sit, and there's a chef's desk with extra cabinet, family room with a gas fireplace, and then the beautiful backyard where you're not seeing any direct neighbors. It's just all open, and it's pretty much maintenance free. No grass to cut on the back. Double car finished garage, painted, fully finished basement with an in-law suite type of access. 1 bedroom, 1 den, and we've got a kitchenette set up here. Then with the French doors, a full washroom, a big size rec room, more pot lights, and in a bedroom. So that's fully finished basement, lots of space, a lot of openness. And then we go. Upstairs, once again different angles to show beautiful property, in very good shape. 2011 construction, and beautiful inside street. So full-size dining room here plus the full-size breakfast area. Going to the second floor, plush upgraded broadloom on the staircase, and the beauty is it's so open, 9 feet ceiling also on the second floor, which is an upgrade very few people did. Just open everything up. Hardwood flooring here in the hallway and the primary bedroom, which is huge. Beautiful accent wall. Hers and hers walk-in closets. So 2 full-size walk-in closets. Big room. California shutters there too. And the open view of the backyard. A full ensuite. Granite countertops. Huge soaker tub. Another accent wall. And a glass door shower. High open 9 feet ceiling. Smallest bedroom, which is the 4th bedroom. It's a very good size. Open, bright. Plush upgraded carpet here because kids' room need carpet. Hardwood is outside in the primary and the hallway. Full-size laundry room, washer dryer, and a full vanity. with the mirror, also upgraded in the recent times. The outside washroom, granite countertops, upgraded lights, tub with a full glass enclosure. Second bedroom, really good size. California shutters, nice high 9 feet ceiling, another walk-in closet, and big linen closet with the mirror sliders. And then we've got the third bedroom, also with a walk-in closet, and a really good sized bedroom. So lots of space, very functional layout. I have personally lived in this model. Great for families. 4 good sized bedrooms upstairs, 3 of them with walk-in closets. Primary's got 2 walk-in closets, full-size laundry room, no shortage of space, main floor living, dining, family, great open layout, plus added finished basement with a big rec room, big kitchenette which is eaten, a den, a bedroom, and another washroom. Great community. Mill Pond, arguably the best neighborhood to raise family. I mean, I've raised my family here too. Surrounded by 3 parks, all schools, trails, within a few minute walk or a couple of minutes drive to the beautiful little downtown core here of Hespeler, which has got an event happening pretty much once a month. Some months they're double events. Great restaurants, great shops, beautiful river with the falls which light up. And we've got school, Catholic school within the community, and the other school right outside. So, and then the high school is within a couple of minutes drive. Great community, close to Guelph, close to Kitchener, and minutes from Highway 401.